Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change a default notification in Infinix Hot 12 Play. But before we continue this video, as always I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, here firstly I'm gonna open my settings first like this. After that, in this settings page, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll it down a bit more until I found here the notifications standard option. Just tap on it, and yeah, as you can see there are my applications in my phone. So if you want to turn off your notifications of your application, you just have to tap on the toggle next to the name of your application. And then for change the default notifications, here also you can change the sound. Here I'm gonna open the sound and vibration. After that, scroll it down a bit more. Now here you will see the notification sound. And yeah, I use this water drops option. If you want to change it, you just have to scroll. And yeah, there are a view option of the sound for the notifications. And now here I'm gonna change it to this one maybe. After that, if you think it's enough, you just have to tap on this OK button at the bottom like this, and yeah, it's already changed. And now here in this notifications option, in this volume, you can change the volume here. If you want to small it the volume, you just have to slide it to the left like this. And if you want to make it louder, you just have to slide it to the right. After that, here you also can activate the vibration when there are notifications. Just tap on this sound and vibration, and yeah, as you can see here I use the vibration. So tap on OK now, and yeah, just it guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.